coding interview question. So there is one problem in that which says, so I'll put the description here. Okay. So problem is that we have to find develop an algorithm to define an string is having a unique characters. So one more addition to that one is if you don't use any existing additional data structure. So in that case, so how do you solve that question? Let's so I'll explain the approach what it is. So basically, so we have a string. Let's say we have a string Java. So we have to find out whether it has a unique character or not. So using a data structure, we can easily find that is we can use any one of the data structure, which is we can use hash set, which has an feature called so which doesn't store any duplicate values. So we can use this one to achieve this one. So whenever you duplicate occurs, it doesn't store and it returns false, then we can return it is having a duplicate. But the catch is we have to use we don't use any additional data structures. In that case, how do you solve this one? So to solve that one, we can use array of flag. So like how? So we have an array of let's say the given string is an ASCII character, so which starts from which is 128 characters. So each ASCII has a code value for that. So let's assume that we have ASCII characters. So what we'll do, we'll define an array and we'll have a boolean value for the corresponding value. If it is there, we will define it as value, otherwise it is not there. So whenever the next value is found, we'll check whether that value is there in that array. If it is there and it is having a duplicated string, so whether we can return the string is having unique or not. So here's a basic example. So I'm taking, if it is not more than 28 character means it is not an ASCII character, it might be a unique code also. So if it is more than that, I'm having one case to return, and next I'll be defining one array. So plus, so we'll loop through all the string characters one by one. So we'll take the char and we'll check whether it is there in that array. So if it is there, so we will add, we'll send it is not unique. If not, we'll add a boolean value in that. Means we'll make it as a true for that array corresponding index. So by that we know that it is being added, it's been encountered that array. This is one approach, and this is my solution. So if you want to test, let's run this one. So I have an input string as a Java, so it should return false because I have duplicate characters here. Let's run and see. What is returned false? So what if you pass a unique character string? Let's say I'll pass Python, so it doesn't have any duplicate characters. So in this, it should return true. So this is what it is. So if you explain in a nutshell how it will be. So I have a array of empty array, so it's index from 0 to 127. Each time I encounter a value, I'll make this one true. If I next time encounter, I'll check whether the corresponding value already this flag is made true or not. If it is made true, it has duplicated characters, or else it is unique characters.